Can we reset Telegram passcode if ever forgotten? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can recover or reset Telegram passcode if we ever forget it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll need to make sure that you have the Telegram app, and just after you have the app, make sure that is up to date to the latest version. So for this, I have not yet put on the passcode, so I'll just show you a few settings here. Head over to the settings on the bottom right corner, and there if you scroll down, you will find an option called privacy and security. Head over to privacy and security, and after you're there, you should see blocked users, passcode and face ID. Head over to passcode and face ID. Now, as it says right here, when a passcode is set, a lock icon appears above your chat list and those stuff. On the bottom, as it says right here, if you forget your passcode, you will need to log out or reinstall the app, and all your secret chats will be lost. So if you ever forget your password of your Telegram lock, simply just log out or reinstall the app. Just keep in mind that all the secret chats will be lost. So that you cannot actually recover your passcode, but what you can do is you can easily reinstall the app, and you're basically good to go. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video answered your question. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.